Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We are going to hold an exam on October 22nd, as you may have noticed, and we would like to invite you all to take it, no matter if you're a laptop repairman, a mobile repairman, or a person who likes repairing in general. So there are a couple of things I need to mention in this video, as it's mentioned on the articles. So let's have a look at the article. First of all, I have to say that it's on October 22nd, as I may have mentioned before, and it's going to start from 12:01 a.m. On October 22nd to 12:01 a.m. on October 23rd. So it doesn't require much to take this exam. You only need to have knowledge about laptop repairing. And one important thing that I have to mention is that you don't necessarily have to be a member. So it's for everyone who likes repairing in general. So let's see what you need to know about this exam. And the first thing that I need to mention was about the date that I have mentioned before. It's from October 22nd to October 23rd, and it's going to be staying on the website for one whole day. But this doesn't mean that you have one whole day to take the test, and you only have 1 hour to answer all the questions. So keep that in mind, that you have 1 hour to take this test, not a whole day. And we will put the banner of the exam on the advertisement section of the website in here. Let me show you on the main page. We are going to put the banner in here, and by clicking the banner in here, you can directly go and enter the test and take it. So let's go back to the article again and talk about other things that are left to be said. And the sources of the questions of the exam are Schematic and Boardview files of LAB 102P motherboard, which we have analyzed the schematic file before in the understanding and reading schematic videos. But don't worry guys, it's not going to be like you need to know every single detail on the schematic or board view. It's going to be an open book exam with 20 multiple choice questions. And last but not least is the price of this test, which is going to be Hioki DT4252 multimeter made in Japan, which is going to be shipped to the winner from anywhere in this world. And this is it. Let's have a look at this multimeter now. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and let us know what's on your mind about this exam.